Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch today's video. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you guys the differences between the 2x6 closure and the regular 4x4 closure. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to properly place your closure on your wig cap. I'm going to show you how to do that on the 4x4 closure, and then as well as the 2x4 closure. So if this sounds interesting to you, then please stay tuned and watch to the end. Okay, so this is the 2x6 closure. So the longest part is the 6 inches, and then the shortest part is the 2 inches, right? So with the 4x4 closure also, it's 4 inches on both sides, as the length is 4 inches and the breadth is 4 inches. So when you place the two closures side by side, you'd notice that the other one is a bit longer than the 2x6 is longer than the 4x4, which is obvious. So if you're a beginner and then you want to choose a closure, this video is going to help you. Now if you divide the 4x4 closure into two, you're going to get like that same width of closure. And then also one disadvantage of the 2x6 closure is the fact that it has only one part. So it has one long part from that is a 6-inch. You see that thing there? Yeah, it's a 6-inch length. So it has the long part from the forehead way to the back of the head, and this is the 4x4 closure. Now with the 4x4 closure, the advantage it has is that it has quite a number of parts, so you can do the middle part or the side part. So that's what I'm showing you in the video, the various parts you can do. And it also has a very big surface for customization. So with a 2x6 you can't really do a lot of customization, but with a 4x4 you can at least plug and have the illusion of a frontal. Yeah, so this is how you're going to place your closure on your wig cap, right? So you'd want to divide the closure into two equal parts. Okay, so just watch the video and see what I'm doing, and then you're going to put the middle part on top of the middle of where the line is, on top of the wig cap, and then you move it a bit forward like an inch or half an inch, and then you use your T-pins to secure it on, you see, the same way on your wig cap, okay, or on the mannequin, on the dummy. So it's like half an inch or 1 inch above, like, yeah, on that. And then also the same middle part, you just stretch it to the back of the cap, so on the same line. So the line is going to serve as a guide, so you guys can see in the video. So the middle at the back, right, and then the middle at the front. Okay, so then you adjust the various sides of the mannequin, like of the closure on the wig, till everything is in place. So just watch me just watch me adjust the closure on the mannequin. You want it to lay as flat as possible, so you're going to finesse it and make it lay flat as possible. Now this is what we have. You always want to make sure that your closure lies flat on your wig cap. Now the disadvantage of the 4x4 closure is the fact that the closure doesn't go way back. It just goes 4 inches, like 4 inches into the hair. So it's going to be like the middle of the front part of your head, so you can see all the space behind the wig cap. That is the only disadvantage of the 4x4 closure. So this is how it looks all around. Yeah. So now I'm going to show you how to put the 2x6 closure on the wig cap. Now it's going to be the same process. So you just look at the line and then come, pull your closure an inch or have an inch on the wig cap, and then the same process, you just go back and then also trace or like track the middle to the back of the cap. So that is what I'm doing. I'm about to place I'm trying to it's about to, yes, exactly like this, the middle all the way back. Yes, so when you find the middle, like the point, you just put your T-pins and then you secure it gently on your cap. Now you see with the 2x6 closure, it's really long and it goes all the way back. So that is the advantage, it goes all the way back. So if you're somebody who wants your closure to go all the way back, or your part, yeah, that is the right way, your part to go all the way back, then the 2x6 closure is definitely going to be something that you would want. Okay, so you'd have to secure this, because it's a long straight, like a long lace, you'd have to secure it. So this is how I usually secure my 2x6 closure, so that it lays flat on the cap. So now this one needs a lot more pins than the 4x4 closure. So this is basically how to put your 2x6 closure and your 4x4 closure on your cap. I'm showing you a 360 of it. Yeah. So this is how I would usually sew. I would sew from the middle down to the side, and then from the other middle down to the side. So I'm going to show you how to sew your closure on your wig cap. It's going to be a detailed video on how to sew your closure onto it. That's going to be in another video, so stay tuned and subscribe to the channel and put on the notification button so that you don't miss this video. Now it's going to be a whole series of me making this wig and styling and everything, so you definitely don't want to miss this. So subscribe and turn on the notification button. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.